Welcome to today's first episode of Shop Wars, the Sunroof edition. This is Stephen Fatucci live from New Jersey. Yeah! Today is going to be an action-packed day. In one corner, we have Cesar, El Mejor, Instalador, de Techo, Salor. Yeah! Facing off against the dynamic duo, Two-Speed Steve and Gio, the One Eyed Bandit. Woo! The referee today will be the legendary Bobby Joe, and the judge will be Leonardo Morganelli. Shop Wars, the Sunroof edition. It's sponsored by Signature Sunroofs, Auto Action Group, Sansone Auto Mall, Fetty Kia, Paramus Hyundai, North Plainfield Nissan. Now, what we've all been waiting for, let's get this battle started. All right, y'all, we're here to talk about the rules. First off, I'm legendary Bobby Joe. I will be your referee today. I want cleanliness like me. How you guys feeling today?
Good. Wonderful.
All right, how you doing, sir?
Good.
You look good. You look good. Not quite as good as Bobby, but you look good. All right, let's talk about first rule. Who can complete the most installs today? Second rule, cleanliness of the install. We got to keep it clean, boys. Got to keep it clean. Third, that the judge will be looking at. Sunroofs can't leak. The roofs can't leak, guys. That's no good. 4, the sunroofs have to function as intended. They got to work, guys. They got to work. So, those are some of the rules, and wish you guys the best, and keep it clean. Keep it clean.
Right.
And for you folks at home, stay tuned so you can find out your chance to win a free sunroof from Auto Action Group. Let's get this battle started. So here we got my man Pat, they call him AKA the Cement Maker. We're over here checking out these guys and watching them perform, seeing what happens. I'm taking some notes here and obviously trying to figure out how these guys are gonna do in this competition. Pat, what are you thinking so far with these guys?
I'm seeing a little bit of slowdown by the old man over here. He had he's real rusty, so I don't know about him finishing today. The other two, they're incredible.
The dynamic duo, huh?
The dynamic duo is working. They're going. They even took a cigarette break. He hasn't taken no breaks yet.
These guys,
I don't know. They're gonna go through it here.
What are we gonna do about it? What are we gonna do about it, Pat?
All I know is, look at him. Look at him. My Ty's crawling on the roof. I love him.
So Pat, you know some of these hard things going on in here, what they're doing with the roofs? You got any maybe advice that, or you're thinking that these guys should be doing to get this stuff done a little better, a little quicker?
No, they're moving good. Just the age is showing over here.
The age.
And how much he doesn't do sunroofs anymore. That's what's showing over here in the corner. But I don't know. He maybe he'll get a second wind. Maybe we'll see him get a second wind and he'll bang the third one out real quick.
Hey, by the way, speaking of, you see Bobby Joe anywhere lately?
Yeah, he was in a lunchroom before.
Man, that judge is always looking for me. But watching these boys worked up a thirst. Gotta get a slice of some pizza. We'll see who's gonna take this competition home soon. Huh, that guy, I gotta tell you, man. Not good, my friend. You forgot to put safety covers on the seats when you were doing this drilling work and stuff. Getting stuff everywhere, that's one penalty. One penalty. One-point knock for eyeballing me, mister. Huh, that guy, I gotta tell you, man. That guy, me and him go way back. Way back about 10 years ago during competition, kind of like this one. I was dating this girl, right? Me and her were real close. And, you know, Bobby was judging that competition, you know. This is back in Bobby's youth, you know. And next thing I know, Bobby's outside talking to my girl. I was like, hey, Bobby, what the hell? Oh,
you gotta watch him, he's a ladies' man.
That guy, Bobby. And I can never find the guy. I'm judging this whole competition. I look around for the judge and I never can find the guy. So what's your name, darling?
Melissa.
How long have you been working up here?
10 years.
What are you up to tonight?
I'm gonna go home with my husband.
Ah. That lucky fella, that guy.
That he is. That he is.
He's a good guy, that guy. You know, what are we gonna do? Well, let's see what's gonna happen next year. We got a couple more, gotta get another roof or two in here, and after that, we'll see what happens. Stephen Fatucci here. Remember when the ref said you could get a chance to win your own professionally installed sunroof? All you have to do is make it to one of our sponsors, Sansone Automall, Fetty Kia, Paramus Hyundai, and North Plainfield Nissan. When you get there, if you can spot the aftermarket sunroof that we installed from this episode, when you do, take a picture and post it to Instagram. Tag @AutoActionGroup. Use hashtag ShopWarsSunroof, geotag your location, and you will be entered into the contest. The winner will be selected March 31st, 2019. Thank you and good luck. All right, guys, I want to show you how I'm judging these guys and the quality and their work and their cleanliness here. First off, I always want to make sure that the roof opens fully with a one touch. Secondly, I want to make sure it closes with a one touch. I want to make sure it vents with the one touch. I want to make sure it closes, one touch. One of the nice features on this sunroof is it comes with a lifetime warranty. It's a beautiful, beautiful roof, especially at an affordable price. You go to the dealership, you don't want to pay top dollar for the cars with all the bells and whistles, but you want a beautiful sunroof with a lifetime warranty, this is the way to go. The other nice thing is you can have it closed and you can have your sunshade open if you want to see the stars at night or the rain fall on the car, or you can shut it. Capiche? Guys, welcome back. It's been a long day today. 2, 3 very, very aggressive installers. Doesn't make my day easy as a judge. We got the dynamic duel. Those guys, great teamwork, doing a great job. And then we got our solo artist. This guy looks like he's got 3 people working for him, but he's only one guy. I'll tell you, between all of them, I've seen some very impressive installs today. This is definitely not an easy choice, but I do have to choose one, and I do have my answer. All right, we finally finished up this competition. It's been a very, very good competition, and we do have a winner. And today, the dynamic duel did not take home first place, but they did a fantastic job with their install. The winner of Shop Wars, the Sunroof edition, goes to Cesar.
Give a shout out to top coverage in Chicago. 3 sunroofs in 8 hours. New York's #1, baby.